Hello friends, my name is Dhairya Bhajbhuje of class 8. I am a part of Pragyan 2020, batch 2020. Today I am going to discuss about the structure of an average cell and the coronavirus. Let's first start from the cell. What is cell? A cell is a structural, a function and a biological unit of all known organisms. It is the smallest unit of a building block of life. It's vary in shape and size. It is cell types. Cell are of two types, prokaryotes and eukaryotes. In prokaryotes are generally single-celled organism and eukaryotes are generally multicellular organisms. In the prokaryote nucleus is absent. There is a no nuclear membrane and the DNA content is low. There is a quick cell division, means they multiply very quickly, and their example are archaea, one of the first organism that appear on the earth, and the bacteria and cyanobacteria. uh, Let us in eukaryotes, the nucleus is present. There is a nuclear membrane and there is a high content of DNA. It has a slow cell division, means the cell multiply very slowly, and its example are animal cell, plant cell and fungi. Let us see about the plant cell and animal cell. Animal cells are comparatively small in size than the plant cells, and the animal cell have cell wall, a plastid, a vacuole, and vacuoles are there is absent. The lysosomes are more in number, and centrosomes with centrioles are present. In the plant cells, cells are comparatively larger in size than animal cells. The cell wall, plastid, a large vacuole are present. In vacuole, they store the waste and the water. Lysosomes are either present, absent, or very few in number. The centrosomes and centrioles are absent. You can look the pictures of animal cell and plant cell. This is a large vacuole, and in the animal cell there is a very small vacuole. Sometimes it is absent also, and in the plant cell there is a very big vacuole. Let us see about the virus. The virus is a small parasite or not living organism. In the strict sense of word, it can be counted in nanometers. It cannot reproduce by itself. They do not have a cellular structure. They require a living host cell to perform nearly every biological function necessary for their survival. After the formation of thousands of viruses, the host cell often dies because it takes energy from this host cell, and because of this the host cell could not survive without energy, therefore the host cell dies. As a large number of host cells die, the persons fall ill and it can eventually die also. The virus infect the bacteria, plants, animals and humans. They respond to heat, chemical and radiation. Let us see about the structure of virus. The virus contain DNA or RNA as genetic material coated with protein. A virus consists of two parts, nucleoid and capsid. The virus have an envelope present in some cases only, and DNA containing viruses are called deoxyviruses, while RNA containing viruses are termed as riboviruses. Each of them has two subtypes. One of is the double-stranded and a single-stranded. Enzymes in the viruses, enzymes are occasionally present. Let us see coronavirus. You can see the coronavirus. Coronavirus, now there is a pandemic of coronavirus. We are there is a lockdown because the coronavirus is an infectious disease that can spread through air and the sneezing of everybody. The coronaviruses are group related to RNA viruses. It causes disease in mammals and birds. In human, it especially coronavirus causes the respiratory tract disease. Viral envelope, it consists of viral envelope, the lipid bilayer. It is, you can see in photo, it is spherical in shape and it has a spike like structure. This is a protein called spikes protruding from their surface. These spikes latch onto the human cells that undergo a structural change that allow a viral membrane to fuse with cell membranes. Means what happens, when the coronavirus sits on our skin, it inject its membrane to fuse with the cell membrane, and it then takes the energy from it. And this viral gene then can enter the host cell to be copied and producing more viruses. By taking energy from the host cell, it can produce more cell by multiplying it, and then the energy taken from the host cell, and the host cell eventually die, as we saw in the previous slides. And the when the host cell die, the person became ill and can eventually die. It contain a single stranded positive sense RNA associated with the protein with the capsid comprised matrix protein. It is also known as novel coronavirus. It can cause disease COVID-19. Till this date, no vaccine or specific drugs are available for treating the coronaviruses. Only hygiene measures reduces the rate of transmission of coronaviruses. Thank you.